How to withdraw your money on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to withdraw your balance money on TikTok easy and fast. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok and now go to those three lines right here and choose settings and privacy, and then go to balance right here and wait a few seconds, then it will take you to this page. Now click on gift revenue and then you will find your total balance here and the withdraw option right here. Click on withdraw if you have a balance and you will be able to withdraw easy and fast. That's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.